The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing.
Good afternoon. Oh! Come and say good afternoon to everyone. You are so grumpy, aren't you? Say hi, everybody.
Nana.
You want a banana? Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Na ah.
You a monkey?
No.
No. Oh, you're gonna have our last banana.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Nana.
Oh my goodness. You're gonna sit nicely and watch Spookly then. There you go. Go sit down nicely then. Yes, good afternoon. I'm trying to figure out what to do for lunch for everybody. I'm gonna have this pasta and sauce, chicken and mushroom. These are half a tin and I've got one. And I've just got the girls out some bagels from the freezer. I'm gonna toast them and do some cheese, but I hope you're all doing well. I am feeling a little bit today, but I'm trying to stay positive and trying to stay focused and motivated. The weather's been a little bit crap over the weekend. We were meant to have like this amazing weekend of sun. It didn't happen in Stoke, but we can still get out in the garden whether it's hot or cold anyway. But it did rain. Az has got to go and do a food shop today. I really don't like that, but I can't get a food slot at all. Like, I've tried for a week now. So I'm going to, after lunch, I'm going to sit down, meal plan with what we've got in, and then do a list of what we need, and hopefully we can get everything, because we are down to like the last UHT milk and things. So yeah, so lunch for the younger two, they've got half a sesame seeded bagel with ham in, cucumber, apple, and some of the Aldi peanut butter popcorn with some little Haribo teddies as a treat.
Paul.
So, what do we do, boss?
Time for an iced coffee, I think.
That one and you own it.
Oh, you do it. Good job. Good job. From our walk, I am on a cup of tea duty. The girls are playing outside. It's such a lovely day. Look at them. Leslie's favourite game. I have had such a nice soak. I've had a fruit salad. I have got Nyla to bed. And I'm now just going to get into bed. I've taken my nails off. I'm going to paint them black